Ciao everybody, Lorenzo here from Mkm booth at IWA Show 2024. Here are the news that we have recently introduced at SHOT Show 2024 in Las Vegas. We have the Hyper Ben Peterson design, Magna Cut blade, G10 handle with two different colors, blue and black. First crossbar lock for Mkm, and it's a really top-selling knife right now. Also, we have a David C. Anderson knife here, fixed blade, Magna Cut blade, two different shapes, so the Nesmok and the sheep's foot, with four different combinations for the handle. So we go with the Hollywood, green canvas micarta, G10 and carbon fiber. It comes with the magnetic leather sheath, Mkm typical sheath that it's very easy to get in position on your pocket, and it fits perfectly to carry it on, pull it out and everything. We go also with some news now here in IWA Show. So we have the Vincent model with the two different micarta finishing, blue denim and green canvas. Magna Cut blade, stone washed, liner lock, very beautiful knife. We also have three new versions for the Hero model by Tommaso Rumici. So we have added the Hollywood, blue denim micarta and Sure Touch, black Sure Touch. As always, M390 blade with the titanium bolster and liners all in one piece. Three new versions also for the Eclipse model. We have one more classic and very beautiful sandblasted titanium with the carbon fiber handle, always Magna Cut blade, Fox design, liner lock with the flipper opening. We had a new version with the Ultem, very beautiful with our logo on it in transparency. And of course we are now ready for the limited edition 100 numbered pieces Fanfare Damasteel Damascus blade with titanium milled handle. So don't miss it out.
Thank you very much and have a nice day.
Thank you. Hi.